Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A5 Coupe Black Edition 40 TFSI with the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model comes in the stunning brilliant black solid paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre petrol engine you get 187 brake horsepower with 320 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds and onto a top speed of 150 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with daytime running lights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 20-inch 5-arm rotor design alloy wheels finished in matte titanium, offering a lovely contrast to that black solid paintwork. With the rear tailgate popped open you get 465 litres of boot space, which is perfect for everyday essentials and weekend away luggage. To access the rear seat, simply pull the handle on the back of the passenger or driver seat and pull the seats forward. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury, with tri-zone climate control and rear armrest, bringing up the comfort side. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle should you wish. In the front we have the flat bottomed S-line steering wheel with the cockpit behind, central screen, as well as the dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with S-badge embossing at the top and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The LCD screen in between the dials is configurable to your needs using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control for mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for this precious motorway miles per gallon. The central screen is controlled using the toggle on the centre console, giving you access to navigation or Bluetooth connectivity, as well as DAB and FM radio stations. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist, which brings up the front and rear parking sensors to make parking all the easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.